Turn the lights on.
Everything over here is closing though. Oh, they open. They open to what? 10 p.m. I think it says. It says 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Oh, 11 p.m. today, honey. Oh no, Sunday to Thursday is 10 p.m. So we're good. Like that. It's recording now. Okay.
What up? What up? What up? Double L's, it's your boy Keyz.
And it's your girl Mandy. Ow, ow.
And we back
with another video.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you here for the video time?
Hey man, I'm hungry, y'all.
Listen, we are on this road. We are coming from Ohio, headed home. We stopped in Atlanta. And we love Atlanta, y'all. We just love it here. You know, I wish I could go back and see my cousin right now. I should call her and see what she's doing.
Yeah, we should call her.
We need to call her.
Right when we on, so y'all can put her on the spot. Put her on the spot, Double M's.
Let me see.
But we stopped at Five Guys. We got Five Guys for y'all. We're going to open it up.
We only got the burgers. We didn't want no fries, y'all. That potatoes was right here, but they're itis, y'all. They're itis.
And we still got a couple hours to drive.
But I'm going to drive too, so my baby can get a little, should I? Put his little knit brace on and
so far, I'm good right now because this like when I'll be at work, so
yeah,
ain't nothing.
He works overnight, so he's used to this. But let's get into this blessing session,
yeah.
And then let's eat, because I know y'all ready for us to eat. We've been running our mouths, so let's do this.
What's this, a talking channel? What's this, a talking
Lord,
channel?
we thank you for this food. May it be nourishing to our body in your Son, Jesus Christ's name. Amen.
Amen.
Okay? So we done did that. We did that, right? It's time to eat.
Oh, this is talking channel. Y'all ain't eating.
I know. They be getting on us about that too. I don't see people in the comments say that.
Here, go on, get your bite. Get your bite. Hurry up. The one that talking
Baby,
all
you got
that
cheese
smack.
on your burger? I'm trying to make sure I got the right one. You got bacon on there, whatever? She did put bacon on there. Okay. She didn't put no cheese on your burger, though.
Oh, I ain't asked for cheese.
Oh, you just asked for a bacon burger. Okay, so that was good. Okay, I want to make sure you got the right thing. Okay.
You got
and
onion
I got onion on mine. I should have onion, do I? No.
We got to switch.
Hold up.
You got bacon on it?
I got peppers on mine and everything that I asked for. Yeah, I got onions on mine.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I forgot they cut their onions small. They don't do like rings of onions, so my bad. I had to look for them, y'all. But I have onion, pickles. I have on here. Ooh, that light. I got onion, pickles on here. And I got green peppers at the bottom, and it has 2 patties.
And I just have a bacon burger, y'all. Lettuce, tomato, onion. That's it. The bacon. The little bitty bacon they put on there is at the bottom. Trust and believe it's there. But y'all can just see that. Y'all see that burger.
I love my burger I love my burger is full of vegetables. Give me a burger with vegetables on it. Give me some pickles, some green peppers.
I gave y'all first bite already. Don't come with the trash. Do not come with... You still ain't ate yet. Bite it. You gonna eat?
Oh, listen to that, baby. They want to see that burger. You want to see that food.
Oh, y'all. I ain't getting no mayo or nothing.
They didn't put none on your burger?
Nope.
Oh, wow.
Ooh. I'll have a hard time with this.
You want some mayo? You got some sauce packets over here. Got Chick-fil-A sauce packets over here.
Yeah. Let me get one of them. Chick-fil-A sauce packet.
Mm-hmm.
Come in handy.
Mm-hmm.
Look at
that.
Chick-fil-A to the rescue.
I told her mayo on both the burgers.
Man.
Because she said, do you want mayo? I said, yeah, on both burgers. She only put it on one, though. Mm-hmm.
It's juicy, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
But still.
Still need a little sauce. You need something to kind of like wet that burger just a little bit so when it's going down, and it ain't feeling like you're trying to swallow a tie. A tie iron.
Them onions.
Mm-hmm. I love onions on my burger. I just get me some Mentos or something, honey. Pickles so good. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I love a good burger.
My burger trying to run from me.
This is good, y'all. Really is. They put fresh tomatoes on here. All the vegetables and stuff are fresh. Nothing is withered, and you know, I don't like that. I don't like when it got too much grease on the patty that the burger, you know, the burger patty basically greases down the vegetables. I don't like that. That's why it was like, we seen Five Guys. I'm like, yes, because I'm not doing no Burger King, nothing like that. I'd rather Five Guys. My food can make fresh.
You know what? I hate when people put the butt end of the tomato on your
Ooh,
sandwich.
don't do that. Don't do that, honey. I ripped that thing right off my burger.
Don't put booty on my sandwich. I don't want nothing but, no butt, nothing. Do not put booty on my sandwich. I don't want the butt of the tomato, no butt. Come on, man, be playing. Stop playing out here.
I am so done right now. I put too many patties. I can't eat 2 patties. You want it, don't you? Oh, okay. I don't want 2 patties on my burger. I told that girl 1 patty. Can't eat all that stuff like that.
I told you I'm hungry, y'all. My food trying to run.
I'm trying to eat mine.
See?
Ooh. Ooh. And you know what I noticed too? She didn't even ask me if I wanted single burgers or double. She just, you know, automatically gave me doubles. I guess they're gonna bang for their buck on our behind.
Alright. Hey. Paid for a single and got a double. I ain't mad.
No, I think she charges for a double, baby. She didn't give me a choice. She asked for the finger.
Y'all, this thing's so good.
It is a burger, y'all. Waste something myself, y'all.
That's the last bite, y'all.
It's really good, though.
I don't know. I might. She got a patty left.
See, I knew you gonna eat that patty.
Yeah, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm gonna eat it.
Ain't nothing wrong being sorry. What you mean sorry for? Sure, waste some food. I'm gonna eat these vegetables around mine.
I'm gonna eat it, y'all. Put it in that.
I started getting me some jalapenos. But I know I ain't brave like B-Love, so. I ain't on her level with that yet. But I'm trying to eat a little bit more spice though. Cause I do like the flavor of it. I just can't handle the heat. I'm really trying to work on how to do that. How to work on my heat level. Y'all give me some tips in the comments.
Hey. If y'all want to see me, I ain't even gonna say it.
Stay, baby.
I'm gonna just do it.
What you gonna do?
Them world's hardest noodles.
Mm-hmm. You should do them.
I'm going to do them, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all want to see me do it? Comment in the comment section.
Let us know. I'm going to do some regular ramen. With me some sushi rolls while he doing that. Maybe I get some sushi rolls to go with it, and maybe they'll cut the heat a little bit for you.
No, you can't do that with them because it's a competition thing.
Oh, she's gotta eat them by themselves.
Mm-hmm.
You had that one. Mm-hmm.
And you got to put some little juice in there and drink the juice.
Oh, They tripping. They tripping. Yeah, I know I can't handle it. I can't hang. I ain't gonna even front on y'all right now. You know what I'm saying? The girl gonna keep it real.
That burger was good, y'all.
It really was. Some hand sanitizer on somebody.
Hey, cleanliness is the next to godliness.
Yeah, we work in the medical fields. We keep hand sanitizer in the car at all times. We keep
got about 80 bottles in here.
Clorox wipes, Lysol wipes in both vehicles. So we can wipe the steering wheel down, wipe the gear down, all that stuff, honey. I just do that anyway because when working in the medical field, you touching stuff all the time. I like to wipe down my area where I work. I like to wipe everything down. So we don't get sick and be out of work. All you nurses and all you medical people out there, you understand where I'm coming from. You work in the medical field, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You know exactly what me and my hubby talking about. You know.
Even if you ain't in the medical field, you better know. Watch your goddamn hands.
I'm trying to say, because I was in the bathroom one day, ladies, and this is no lie, recently while we was traveling. And I went in the bathroom, used the bathroom, whatever, washed my hands really, really good. You know, I take a long time washing my hands. I take a paper towel to cut the water back off, paper towel to open the door to get back out the bathroom. I just, you know, as a nurse and as somebody who just been working in the medical field for so long and have seen the, you know, transfer of bacteria and all that kind of stuff, I just do that. Well, anyway, this lady comes in the bathroom, uses it, and I seen her walk right out, and she walked right past me like,
we watching y'all.
Like washing her hands, one of the things.
We watching y'all. We watch.
And if soap and water is available, this ain't it. Hello.
Yeah, because this don't replace soap and water.
It sure don't.
Better bathe your hands.
Like, let's go wash it. Wash your hands.
Better go bathe. Bathe them hands. What he say? Bathe? What's...
Yes, bathe your hands. Wash your hands.
You better stop playing.
Do the happy birthday song. I wash my hands so much. I'm telling you, they be so goddamn dry. Man, they be so dry. And I keep lotion in the car too for that reason.
Wash y'all goddamn hands. Stop playing out here in these streets. Touching everything, going in there, get your food and get straight to eat, and then touching in your mouth.
Double M's, we hope you enjoyed this video. We just stopped at Five Guys on our way home to get something to eat. We won't be eating anything else because that's it. We had a burger, that's all. We didn't want any fries or anything like that.
Yeah, that's it.
We just gonna get us something to drink, and then we gonna head on this road and get on home because we ready to get to the crazy. We can get back to what we do, do. We love y'all.
Yeah.
If you're new to the channel, welcome to the Double M Kingdom. Yeah. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. Share the videos. Ain't gonna hurt nothing to share nothing.
Comment. Holla at your boy. Holla at your girl.
Right.
We want to hear from you.
We sure do. And don't forget to do what, babe?
Hit that notification bell.
Bing!
So you can be notified of all the content, all the videos that we have in store for you. You. All right.
And we out.
Don't forget to hustle.
Hey,
later.
We stay on the move. We working jobs. We making videos. We're traveling around the country. Hey, who ain't getting it in like muscle and marriage? Okay?
You better be hustling. Get to the grind. We out of here. For real.